I'm going to imagine that you're here probably because you've tried to put in a prompt like this and it's given you a response like this. So today I'm going to show you how to get around that and make images like this. Obviously these are copyrighted, so you just got to use these for your personal projects and just for your own fun, like creating your own wallpaper background for your desktop, like so, things like that obviously. But yeah, I'll show you how you can do it anyway, create some cool cool Pokemon like these ones here, all created using AI. And I'll show you how you can make some of those. So the first thing you're gonna need something called ComfyUI. So here's the GitHub page. I'll leave the link in the description. You head down to the direct link to download and go from there. The other thing you're gonna need is the ComfyUI manager. So yeah, make sure you still download that as well. The great thing about ComfyUI is it's really customizable and it gives you lots of capabilities. So once you have that downloaded, ComfyUI downloaded, you'll have to head to the folder where you've downloaded that one. So if you can see here, we'll go to ComfyUI and this will be the main folder here. So to start that one up, you got the run NVIDIA GPU. If you don't have that, run CPU. I haven't tested that, not sure how that would work, but ideally you have a GPU so you double click that one and run that. It'll bring up your prompt window, and eventually you'll get in your browser, it will open up a ComfyUI tab. So if you have the blank ComfyUI, I'm going to show you how you can get to the setup that I use to create these Pokemon images. So from here we go to workflow, we go to browse templates, and very simply we just add LoRa, and yeah, don't worry about that one. So what you'll need to do from here is you need to make sure that you have the right models loaded to create these Pokemon. This is the model that you're going to have to use, Nova Fairy XL. So when you come and you download, and the really important part about this is you need to find your ComfyUI folder, go to models and put it in checkpoints. Alright, so that's where you're going to have to place that one. So the next thing you're going to need is the LoRa file. So for example, we've got the Dragonite or the Palkia here. So all you have to do is for the Pokemon you want, same thing, you download, but this time when you head to models, make sure you put that in the LoRa's file and save that one there. I've already saved it, so I'm not putting it there again. And then yeah, we can head back to our ComfyUI. So once you're back in your ComfyUI, as long as your models are in the right space, you just go to the checkpoint, click on that, and you can find your Nova Fairy XL, and then you go to your LoRa and you can find your Palkia. And then you just go to your this is your prompt, so Palkia, epic seed, flashes, just whatever you kind of want to see. And this is your negative prompt. This is one that I just already have found out, so yeah, we just got that one there. And then the width, this is mobile height, 720 by 1280. Make 2 images. I changed the steps to 35. Seems to create better quality images with the way that it works. And yeah, leave it at EULA, randomize the seed, and then you press Q, and that's all you have to do. It will load in your model. The first time it might take a bit longer because it has to load the checkpoint in, but after that it will rush through here pretty quickly, and all the work gets done in the K sampler, and then you'll get your 2 images at the end, and I'll join back with you when I get those images. Alright, so that one's done. As you can see on the left here, you have your images, so you can view that. As you can see, this is a pretty good one. So you can just save that image, and that's all you need to know. But as you can see as well, there are some bad images as you get with AI. You can modify your prompt, but the thing is, this is completely free, so it doesn't matter if you have to do a few more. Yeah, that's how you make some cool Pokemon images with ComfyUI. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see with AI and AI tutorials. Thanks guys.